Why dummies sneeze? Answer is, it's your body's super fast way of cleaning your nose out from dust, pollen, or germs. Your nose is like a guard for your body. When it senses something that shouldn't be there, like a piece of dust, a speck of pollen, or tiny germs, it sends a message to your brain. Your brain then tells your body to take a deep breath and then, achoo, blast it all out with a powerful puff of air. A sneeze is your body's built-in cleaning system to keep your lungs safe and clear.